Christmas in France is not merely a season, it is an atmosphere, a language of light, warmth, and refinement. This house was designed not just to shelter winter, but to celebrate it. Every line of architecture, every glow of light, every carefully chosen material tells a story of French elegance meeting Christmas intimacy. Today, we are not touring a house, we are stepping into a Christmas experience, shaped by design, tradition, and timeless sophistication.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front facade sets the tone immediately. Inspired by classic French townhouses, the limestone exterior becomes a canvas for Christmas refinement. Wreaths frame the entrance with restraint, warm lanterns contrast the winter sky, and golden interior light filters through tall windows. Christmas here is not excessive, it is intentional. The symmetry, the iron details, and the soft snow accents communicate dignity, warmth, and celebration before the door is even opened. The living room is the emotional heart of the house. High ceilings amplify the glow of Christmas lights, while the fireplace anchors the space with warmth and tradition. The tree stands not as decoration, but as a focal sculpture, refined, balanced, and elegant. Materials like velvet, wood, and brass absorb light softly, creating contrast against the winter night beyond the windows. This room is designed for gathering, reflection, and timeless holiday moments. In the master bedroom, Christmas becomes intimate and serene. Soft lighting replaces spectacle, and subtle festive accents enhance comfort rather than dominate it. The tall windows invite winter's presence while insulating warmth within. Neutral fabrics, classic moldings, and restrained decor allow the season to whisper instead of shout. This space reflects a French approach to Christmas, elegant, calm, and deeply personal. The kitchen is where Christmas comes alive through ritual. Marble surfaces reflect warm pendant light, while brass details echo tradition. Pine garlands and candles soften the space without interrupting its functionality. This is a kitchen designed for long December evenings, shared recipes, and slow conversations. Christmas here is not staged, it is lived, felt, and shared through design that supports togetherness. The mezzanine creates a visual dialogue between levels, wrapped in soft Christmas illumination. From above, light cascades downward, connecting spaces and emotions. It functions as a pause, a place for reading, observing, and quiet reflection. Christmas lights follow architectural lines, emphasizing height and flow. This space proves that festive design can be subtle yet powerful. The bathroom transforms Christmas into a sensory experience. Marble, brass, and warm reflections elevate everyday rituals into moments of indulgence. Candlelight softens hard surfaces, while winter light filters gently through tall windows. This is not decoration for display, it is designed for comfort. Christmas here is felt in warmth, silence, and understated luxury. The front yard acts as a transition between public elegance and private warmth. Stone paving, subtle lighting, and restrained greenery welcome guests with confidence. Christmas lights are delicate, enhancing architecture rather than overpowering it. Snow and shadow create contrast, while the glow from inside promises comfort. This space introduces the home's philosophy before entry. The rooftop reveals Christmas from above. Snow-dusted slate, chimneys, and lantern light create a cinematic winter tableau. From here, the neighborhood becomes part of the story. Christmas is not confined to interiors, it extends outward, connecting architecture to its environment. This rooftop captures the poetry of French winter evenings. The working room balances focus and festivity. Warm desk lighting contrasts the winter night, while subtle Christmas elements soften the intellectual atmosphere. Wood, leather, and books ground the space in tradition. It reflects a modern reality, where work continues, but Christmas remains present, calm, and dignified. The backyard offers a private winter sanctuary. Bare trees wrapped in gentle lights, stone surfaces dusted with snow, and warm interior glow create intimacy. Christmas here is reflective rather than celebratory, a space for quiet walks, evening air, and personal moments. It completes the home's emotional journey. This house proves that Christmas design is not about excess, but about coherence, atmosphere, and intention. Every space contributes to a unified experience, elegant, warm, and unmistakably French. Here, Christmas is not added at the end, it is designed from the beginning. And that is what transforms a house into a home for the season.